Hello everybody, doing a quick review here of this Air King electric fan. This is definitely very useful, especially for the upcoming summer months. This is that's number 3. It's very loud. 3, 2, 1. There's not much to it. You can hear, as you can hear, that's what it sounds like when it's on. It's a little bit loud, but it's also very powerful, the air that comes out of it. There's not much to it, very easy to use, just one button and a cord and you're good to go. And that's about it, just your simple old-fashioned electric fan that does the job.